Hello children, welcome back to your English class again. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about some interesting topic, and the topic is about the verbs, and it means the action words. You do many activities daily, isn't it? Writing, reading, playing, jumping, dancing, crying, laughing. You will exercise daily. Yes, many you will eat, drink. You will do many action things at home. Many activities you all will be doing. Yes or no? Those are called as verbs, children. For example, verbs are the words that show what the subject does, says, has or is. All forms of verbs come from base verbs. All forms of verbs come from the base verbs. A base verb is the simplest form of a verb without any special ending. For example, read here. All action verbs come from the base form of doing verbs. All the action verbs come from which form? Base form of what you are doing. All action verbs come from the base form of doing verbs. Here is one example of that. What is the person who is there in the picture doing, children? Let us name him as Grandpa. Grandpa is reading the newspaper. Which is the action verb here? Action verb is reading. He is reading the newspaper. From morning to evening you observe your mother, what all activities she will be doing. Right, when she will woke up till she sleeps, she will be busy doing some or the other work. Yes or no? Especially in this month, especially in the Shravana month. Yes or no? She will be having lot of work, children. Yes or no? You observe what all activities, what all actions she will do, and just mention in your notebook. Got it? Let this be your homework for today's topic. All the activities what your mother will do, you note down, and you will know the actions what they are doing. Sweeping, yes or no, or cleaning the house, cooking, what all they do, just you note down in your notebook. A base verb changes form to show tenses. For example, base verb play is the present tense. Base verb is play is the present tense. The past tense will be played. I played a cricket match yesterday. I played carom yesterday. I played the chess in the morning. Now future tense. How? I will be playing for a tournament after the lockdown. So how you will talk about the future? You will use the will there because the work is not yet finished. The action is not yet done. In the past tense, the action is done already. I have written an article based on toys. I have already written it. I will write an article based on sports. So, you will have many examples if you will try, children. You try to write 5 examples of this base forms. Understood? So, I hope you all understood what is verb. Today it was a short introduction about the verb. In the next class, I will be teaching you of the exercise of the first lesson. Which was your first lesson? Yes, Jumbo of Indian Cricket. That is the name of Anil Kumble. He is called as the Jumbo of Indian Cricket. We have studied of Kabaddi and cricket. So, let us see about the exercise part in the next class. For today's class, just you know about the verb, and you go through the video and just you note down the activities what you all will do, your parents will do, and you write as many as activities. New words you all write, not normal crying, laughing, sleeping, standing. You come to some different form of words and frame new words and write it in your notebook. Thank you, children. Bye.